Myself Narayan Surenshi, and today I take subject on the books. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj book, a Swarajya leader, a Swarajya king of our in Maharashtra, Maharashtra and the few part of Karnataka, who created his own empire for the Maratha, mm, for the Maratha peoples, for the Maratha. Uh, and I read recently a book, Swarajya, Chhatrapati Shivaji, Swarajya king who won back lost pride of Hindus. Most of the Mughals, Portuguese attacked on our Maharashtra and stolen much of the gold coins and s- sampatti, too lot of monies has had stolen from us, and and take to their own nation, and also give distress to our peoples, and uh, made beggar life of our people. But once upon a time, our Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj born in Pune at 19 February 9 1630 in the Pune Shivneri fort. From Chhatrapati, from Jijau Masaheb and uh, Shaji Raje Bhosle. Shaji Raje Bhosle was the father of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, who was the employee or the uh, Sardar. Employee means the Sardar at Adil Shah, Adil Shah's Darbar. He was an accountant there who handles all accounts of all his empire, and um, he also sends money and few peoples to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj to create to new Swarajya, new world of for the Hindu, for the Marathas. And Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was the face of Hindus or Marathas who won many of the battles and many of the forts for Swarajya, and he won the 370 forts in Maharashtra, including Sinhagad, Kondana, Rajgarh, and many forts in also south. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj born in Shivneri Fort and he died in Raigad Fort. So that's why we call Shivrai. Shiv for Shivneri and Rai for Raigad. Shivrai. And our Shivaji Maharaj has a younger brother called Sambhaji. He was killed by the he was killed by the Adil Shah's employee Afzal Khan, and this hurts Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and his whole family very hurtly. And Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj take a, take a new mission called Swaraja, and to create a Swaraja, to make a Swaraj, he takes a lot of challenges in his life, and he never scared, or he never scared to overcome the challenges, and he overcomes challenges. And this know all Mughals and Afzal Khans and also Nizams. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's father was also employed at the Nizam, and also at the Aurangzeb in Delhi at Lal Killa.